about my experience in Blue Rhine Industries, such a business operating in this huge scale, computer vision, AI, finishing, you guys are making parts, just cleaning it, all the things doing, competing in one particular sector or company, it's really a big deal for me.
On our visit, we have experienced many digital solutions which will help the brand to market themselves in a much innovative way, in a much futuristic way.
So after coming here, they are planning now to come in Dubai and to do the job here. So it's a good sign, I can say. So thank you so much, Rhine.